Okay guys, I'm going to do a review real quick of the Freedom Exhaust Company's 2-into-1 pipe I just put on. As you can see, the end, super big, very deep tone, runs great. It's actually faster than the other pipes, third set I've had on the 15. And the Fusion from LA Choppers was last. And then I have the Two Brothers comp slip-ons on the stock factory exhaust and went to the 2-into-1 setups. Got it tuned with an FP3 Arlen S Monster Sucker, and that's about it. No engine work, but I'll start it up for you and you can hear. Okay, like I said though, real deep sound, way deeper than anything I've had on the bike by far. Bike seems to run a lot more open, a lot better. When I hit second gear, broke the tire loose first time out on it. Didn't do that with the Fusions from LA Choppers. I had the Fusions on here for approximately a year and a half. They rusted, fell apart, $719 down the drain. Don't recommend them. These guys seem like they're really welding their stuff well. Read some negative reviews online about their welds breaking on the crossover. I could not see anything on it before I put the heat shields on that would compromise it. If so, if you know anybody who knows what they're doing, they can weld it right back up. Get what you pay for. Great pipe, found it on eBay for about 660 bucks. They run upwards towards 800 retail, but highly recommend it if you want a different look, something nobody else has. Big fat exhaust pipe on the end. It's the way to go. Leave a comment if you like the bike, and appreciate watching.